Hello friends, this is Dr. Saurabh Patwardhan from Nandadeep Eye Hospital and Phaco Training Center. Cortex removal using coaxial IA. Are you really listening to the machine? Let's watch an amazing scene from the movie Gladiator. Well, it looks, I would say, sounds different. Oh, is it silent?
My name is Maximus Decimus Meridius, commander of the armies of the North, general of the Felix Legions, loyal servant to the true Emperor Marcus Aurelius, father to a murdered son, husband to a murdered wife, and I will have my vengeance in this life or the next.
That gives me goosebumps. So, what are you listening to in the operating room? Of course, your favorite music, I know. But there is something else also you should listen to. So we have to listen to what our machine is talking. So machine gives certain sounds with different frequency, we call it pitch, timbre, and of course the volume. And each machine will have different types of sounds, indicating increase in the vacuum, occlusion, also for the Phaco power and other things. So we have to keep listening to the machine when we are pressing down the foot switch, like in these cases, where you know whether you are using lower vacuum or you are increasing your vacuum and how the eye is responding to that. You can listen to the occlusion sound to know whether you are holding that cortex well or not and when you have to pull it into the center. And this is very important for all steps of phacoemulsification and in cortex aspiration. And this becomes your additional eye inside the eye apart from the visualization through the microscope. And it helps in tricky situations like this small pupil. Now you can go underneath the pupil and you can listen to the machine, listen whether there is occlusion, whether you are using low vacuum, high vacuum, and you will slowly realize that you can do most of the procedure by just listening to the feedback which the machine is giving through its audios. And slowly your foot switch movement get associated with these audio signals. So I think the audio feedbacks and proprioceptive feedbacks from the eye, the machine, the equipment, the instruments, all these things play a major role in improving your surgical skill and make it more at the spinal level than you need to think about it. So more such videos, do watch our website as well as you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can submit your own videos and experiences so that we can review, publish and speak with you. Thank you so much.